Good morning children. Today I am going to start a new chapter in science. So chapter 5, separation of substances. So children, they are the topics of your chapter differentiating between pure substances and mixtures. Second is need to separate various components of a mixture. Then various methods of separation of components. Then fourth is separation of mixtures containing 2 or 3 components using a combination of techniques. Then study of solution, solute and solvent, and differentiating between saturated and unsaturated solution. So children, our first topic is differentiating between pure substances and mixture. So this chapter is a continuation of the previous chapter where you have learned to group things. So children, in our previous chapter we had learned about to grouping the things, okay? But in this chapter you will learn to separate components of mixture. So children, in this chapter we learn to separate, okay? Separate मतलब अलग अलग करना. How we separate components of a mixture. So children, in nature very few substances occur in their pure form. Most of the substances are found mixed with other substances, okay? So in nature very few substances occur in the pure form. Most of the substances, they are found mixed with other substances. So to obtain pure substances we need to separate these mixtures. So children, we use many methods to do this depending on the difference in the properties of their substances. So first is, what is children pure substance? So pure substance means any substance which is made up of only one kind of particles is called a pure substance. So children, pure substance का मतलब क्या होता है? Which is made up of only one kind of particles, okay? जो केवल एक ही तरीके के particles से बना होता है. For example, iron, silver, water, oxygen take separately are pure substance. So children, they are the pure substance. Example, iron, silver, water and oxygen. So why they are pure substance? Because they are made up of only one kind of particles, okay? Next is mixture. So children, mixture means when 2 or more pure substances are mixed together in such a way that each components retain its properties. So we call it a mixture. So mixture means substance. Mixture means children, when 2 or more pure substances, they are mixed together, okay? This is called mixture. So and mixture and each component retain its property. Each component retain its property means they do not lose their identity, okay? For example, देखो, air is a mixture of many gases, dust particles and water vapor. So children, air is a mixture, ठीक है? Mixture of many gases, dust particle and water vapors, and each component retain its property, okay? Then second example of mixture is sugar solution. So sugar solution is a mixture of sugar and water, ठीक है? Sugar solution, it is a mixture of sugar and water, and children, sugar retain its property, ठीक है? अगर आप शुगर को वाटर में भी डालोगे तो शुगर अपनी प्रॉपर्टी को लूज़ नहीं करता है, ठीक है? जब आप अगर आप उसको टेस्ट करते हो तो कैसा लगता है आपको? शुगरी, स्वीट टेस्ट लगता है, ठीक है? तो शुगर डज नॉट लूज देयर प्रॉपर्टी. Then third, brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. So brass is a metal and it is a mixture of copper and zinc. So brass is the example of a mixture. But the amount of each component in a mixture can vary, ठीक है? But क्या होता है? Components होते हैं, जो amount components का जो amount होता है वो vary करता है, ठीक है? किसी में कोई चीज़ ज़्यादा होती है, किसी में कुछ चीज़ कम होती है, okay? So the amount of each component in a mixture can vary. Then see the activity 1. Take 2 beaker A and B. Fill each of them with 200 ml water. To beaker A, add 2 teaspoon of salt and add to beaker B, add 4 spoonful of salt. Stir and observe them carefully. Are you able to find any difference between them? No, because the salt is dissolved in water. ठीक है, take two beaker A and B. In first beaker add 2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, in beaker B add 4 teaspoon of salt and stir it. So are you able to find any difference between them? No, because salt is dissolved in water. But they look the same, children, although their composition are different. लेकिन उनका कंपोजिशन क्या है, डिफरेंट है. दे आर बोथ सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन, बट वी कैन से दैट सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन इज़ अ मिक्सचर एज द अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड वाटर इट इन कैन बी डिफरेंट. लेकिन उसका कंपोजिशन तो क्या है, उसमें कंपोजिशन मतलब उसका वो तो सेम है, लेकिन क्या है, फर्स्ट वाले में क्या है 2 टीस्पून ऑफ सॉल्ट है, सेकंड वाले में 4 टीस्पून ऑफ सॉल्ट है. ठीक है, उसका रेशियो अलग अलग है. और अगर आप जिसमें 4 टीस्पून ऑफ सॉल्ट है, अगर आप उसको टेस्ट करोगे तो वो क्या लगेगा, आपको ज़्यादा सॉल्टी लगेगा. सो द अमाउंट ऑफ ईच कंपोनेंट इन अ मिक्सचर कैन वेरी. देन चिल्ड्रन, नीड फॉर सेपरेशन. Perhaps you eat namkeen or a mixture containing groundnuts. Some of you like groundnuts. You would pick them out and eat them first. Okay, those of you who do not like them would still pick them out and keep them separately. In both the cases, you are separating one components from a mixture to make it more suitable to your taste. तो फर्स्ट इसमें आपने क्या किया, जैसे नमकीन है, इट इज़ अ मिक्सचर. ठीक है, मिक्सचर कंटेनिंग ग्राउंडनट. अब जिसको ग्राउंडनट पसंद है उसने उसमें से ग्राउंडनट को निकाल के खा लिया, जिसको नहीं पसंद है उसने उसको अलग कर लिया. तो इन बोथ द केसेस यू आर सेपरेटिंग वन कंपोनेंट्स फ्रॉम अ मिक्सचर. तो आपने देखा कि आपने ईजिली ग्राउंडनट को सेपरेट कर लिया. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टेस्ट. तो मिक्सचर में कंटेन 2 or more substances in any ratio. Okay, so mixture contain 2 or more substances in any ratio, and these substances are called components of a mixture. And what we call, they are called the components of a mixture. So we may need to separate components of a mixture for various reasons. Okay, first is why we separate the particles or component. They go to remove the undesirable or harmful component. So first we remove the undesirable means harmful component. For example, small pieces of stones and unwanted seed grains are removed from rice and pulses before cooking. ठीक है, आपने देखा होगा आपकी मदर क्या करती है कि जैसे राइस है या कोई पल्सेस है, तो सबसे पहले उसको बनाने से पहले उसको क्या करती है, उसमें से जितने भी स्मॉल स्टोन्स है या अनवांटेड सीड ग्रेन्स है उनको रिमूव करती है. ओके, तो टू रिमूव, ये क्यों किया जाता है, टू रिमूव द अनडिज़ायरेबल और हार्मफुल कंपोनेंट्स. सेकेंड इज़ टू रिमूव द इम्प्योरिटीज़. क्यों सेपरेट किया जाता है, टू रिमूव द इम्प्योरिटीज़ एज टू ऑब्टेन प्योर सैंपल ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस. ओके, टू रिमूव द इम्प्योरिटीज़ सो वी गेट द प्योर सब्सटेंस, सैंपल ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस. तो प्योर सब्सटेंसेज आर नीड इन, एंड प्योर सब्सटेंसेज दे आर यूज्ड इन मेडिसिन, रिसर्च, इंडस्ट्रीज एंड ऑल्सो इन डेली यूज़. Then third is how we separate the thing. So that to separate useful components of a mixture. Mixture में से useful components को separate करना, so that each components can be properly used. For example, petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. They all are useful components of crude petroleum. चिल्ड्रन देखो, दे ऑल आर प्रेजेंट इन पेट्रोल. ठीक है, क्रूड पेट्रोल, डीजल, केरोसिन. सो दे आर separate from crude petroleum. Okay, and need to be separated. Okay, so children, this much for today's class. Thank you.